Hi everyone, this is Byron again, shooting an unboxing video for the PG-300 vibration only collar, dog training collar by e-collar Technologies. First of all, we have one transmitter. We have one receiver with collar strap. We have our wall charger and one lanyard. Right underneath here we have our owner's manual, and that's pretty much it for the PG-300 vibration only collar. If you're looking for additional product updates, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching our video.